I'm going to use my smartphone to record this because my other camera's looking over our next door's fence. But I took this out for a drive and it's got a water leak. Where was it leaking from? Well, it looked as if it was from here. That's right. So I replaced the gasket, thinking it was the gasket between the thermostat housing and the head. Nope, that was a waste of time. And then I looked very carefully just here. See there? It's leaking out of the threads. Now this is the strangest thing. Let me get it there, line, and I'll blow it if I can. It was dripping down the front like it was, yeah, you can see it's leaking all the time. So all I have to do is take it out and fill it, put some thread tape around it, it'll be fine. But funny thing was, when I pressure tested this, there was no leak. So it just goes to show you why you have to keep checking and testing and road testing. This hose here, I just put a temporary hose on here, because I'll come back and I'll show you what the old one was like. I saw this before, but I didn't realise that it had actually cut all the way through to the cords inside. I was going to replace it, but I didn't have one. And I thought, oh, it's just a few nicks, you know. But then I saw that. So I just replaced it with that hose for now. The little clip broke off there, that's no problem. The belt's quieted itself down a bit, so that's good. No leaks, nothing apart from that annoying water leak. So I'm going to fix that. Hopefully that will fix its problem. Funny that, isn't it? But like I say, you have to keep testing these things. Make sure everything's all right. Oh, and I set the valves as well. I reset the valves. They were a little bit off. Just as a note, there is a little bit of vibration with this, but they see I haven't touched the injection system on this truck. There's nothing changed. So the injectors are what came with this engine. So if they were serviced, it would be even smoother still. But it starts well and it runs well. Quite pleased with it, really. Right, see you there.